And you only out of some room church will be any day in some percentage almost there. Blackview BV9600 bit me a change back cover no, and I say battery cover, any charging port. Near the kind of you be back cover no, and I say battery cover no, everywhere glass. Inti you be say be used to be the temperature be 100 degrees Celsius. Near heaty glass no. Na you use plastic opening tool and I say knife a flexible kakra na yet me the asho. Said you benya access near to me a ye glass na free h wabra empire. So in case I would not pay that idea new say ubeye so careful. Double-sided tape na a cover we as an adding panty has a here more time. Not try say 10 BRs will be heaty. Na fi what was so. Had a about train was all to boisipa. Any kind of plastic opening to be we are convenient with no. We say tempered glass cover be a buy and I can't when I'm a me no me use a two. And you also so any other plastic to be out with me a day ISR disassembly way out with me a use. Ubit means where you so alcohol, said ye bit me ama I remove and bit me a little bit easier amount. If we say them de kai no glue near or glass nas no air den pa. As I say here to a in the beton chain now. Ya clean glue in a free glass no ne cover na chi. Nti ya we no na fe ye beto aso with disassemble no. Nti summary you be 4 screws a free has Nti we are na ya done no the other side no so you 4 screws no a free all. Na ya yi SIM card tray no so a free mo. Yeah, we are no summary be two screws a free as here. Yeah, two screws a free through on so. Yeah, summary be 9 screws. So screws we and any the same. See, any problem, so they'll be arranging them. But the 4 screws need you can 3 and the different or so tries will be arranging a year. That's summary a separate back cover no. A free frame no. I didn't know what to change. The back charging port so. The disconnect 3 flex cables a free charging port so. So flex cable way fragile until you say has a tool boss, you're very careful, said you won't damage Yeah, we need to two screws of charging port, so near disconnected antenna cable and also a free so. Now you heat a charging port no kakra. If you say double-sided tape a was here, now if you bomb modern say you be charging port no free or. Yeah, Hassan, I was say very careful because microphone no so flex cable no. Was here until was so careful so won't damage I say was so very careful. Until you know be done na fi access to sa microphone flex cable no. And also disconnecting and free charging port no. Say I know I try to be heaty kakra. Said want flex cable because a fragile kakra. I disconnect every and the new one and also the aba. Nti a free hair could no to say reverse. The AI in painty. And one say in case I will mix baby ube reverse video no kakra no asen akwa. Samre the charging port no to move in samre the flex cable no be shim. Na fe the two screws no so about the boom. Near the antenna cable no so as I connected near connected two flex cables no so akano. And free hair connected and actually say was a sign the back frame no etoso. Near the screws ni na sanya boom. Nti we are now was say trying a test phone say charge ya. Nti charge dia na say adwuma na wie pay no. Nti enen so we need the na mpese mekyerɛ nti we hope say be a bit me aboa ebi no mama mo ankasa nso mo atimi solve problems. Nti so one subscribe to my YouTube channel na bo more than subscribe so there next time be and so say me upload do new video on sabit me Kanal so about here. Yina is yade. Who will be being so and as all wadrin chira bit me a comment session ho. Me that's it until my by ever seen share be